Who wants you to recruit? Sorry, Bobby?
Bobby, yeah.
I wasn't even listening.
Yeah, well, I'm used to it.
My bad. It's getting hurts you this afternoon.
Oh, so?
Yeah.
Really?
It's getting pretty stiff.
Do you have a tub? Do you fit in a tub?
I haven't tried a tub for a long time.
What a question.
No, I'm just saying like a hot bath or a hot tub or something.
Yeah,
That's...
I'm just gonna hop in. I can go to Bruce. Just gonna hop in. I like Jackhammer's presence.
Yeah.
He came out.
Yeah.
I like it.
These guys are both good.
Yeah.
His head bump.
Oh!
That had to hurt.
Seriously?
Yeah.
That's awesome. I mean, dang. There we go.
Yeah.
It's terrible.
Yeah, they'd be drowning out there.
It was pouring last night, huh?
Oh yeah, she come in really good.
In Lethbridge there, I was walking around Henderson and got caught in it.
Yeah.
It was fun, but it was... Yeah. You seen Bulldog slam? When he has my arms, picks me up like that and slams me? It's awesome. It's a great slam. Did you use Bobby's boots?
No, I used Pierce's. John.
Oh, okay. Wise man.
Yeah.
Sideshow Pierce.
Why isn't he dressed up?
I don't know.
You know, Bulldogs, he did really good. He's kind of got like a clockwork orange kind of getting going on.
Yeah.
It's really fucking cool.
Yeah, it
His
is.
hair and everything.
It's good.
Actually, yeah.
Look, it'll be just the right amount of darkness by the end.
Oh yeah, it's perfect.
Oh, oh.
Here we go. Nice.
That's gonna keep rolling.
Rolling.
I liked Bobby and Lethbridge last time. They just rolled the whole time together.
That match in Lethbridge was killer.
It's just
With him and
hammer pants.
yeah, I can't remember his name. But
My aunt.
yeah, with the mullet.
Can't remember his name.
That's gonna be on video that we can't remember his name.
Sorry.
Yeah, sorry, dude. You were awesome. You had a good match.
They don't have stock in so.
He knows I'm recording.
He doesn't know who I am.
Come on, Silverback. That's a hard bump. That's a hard bump.
That.
There you go. And his drop kicks look good.
That was wicked.
Alright. I gotta learn how to.
He came in full stand.
I gotta learn how to drop kick from Bobby. Because my drop kicks look like garbage compared to that.
Well, you can ask Massive. Massive just tell us.
It is.
First time I was ever at
Oh yeah, he gave one.
yeah, he gave like the fat man. But he taught me well.
Yeah.
You'd have to be right.
Yeah, I was going to say Rick doesn't have screen on.
Is there any specific way you're supposed to do it?
Oh, I got a lot
Is there
of
what?
pictures of calls on it.
There's a whole bunch of different ways. Yeah.
I somehow ended up every time I have like my arms crossed. And,
You know what? It looked cool though.
yeah?
Yeah, even Irish was saying that he likes the way you pin.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, don't
Maybe
change
I'll,
that. That's your
I
style.
don't know what I did, so just,
Yeah, the flat.
Just keep doing whatever's comfortable.
I can see that.
they like it.
Yeah, no, that's your style, man. Keep it.
I got lots of pictures of these goofballs.
Plus, then the way you do it, you don't have your whole body weight on the guy, so they can kick out if they need to, and you're not crushing them.
I don't know. That's just what popped up.
No, it was good. Your pins looked cool. Your match looked pretty good, man. It was good. There was one spot where you weren't sure what to do, but
I told him and he came in pretty quick.
yeah, no, it looked good.
He threw me into the buckle.
That buckle.
Face.
I saw it.
I'm gonna have a mark.
Yeah, you hit that hard. The whole ring moved. Yeah.
That's weird. I miss just getting hit, you know.
Oh, I love it.
Football is just every day. Boom, boom.
That's what I told Kevin.
You take it away.
Yeah.
That day I got kicked in the face.
Yeah.
It felt so good.
Yeah. Night come when I was in the corner. I don't know if you saw our match.
No, I wanted to because it was.
But-
I really wanted to see it.
I was in the corner here, and he comes and gives me like he's in this corner, and he runs at me and gives me a boot right to the face, and he was like, "So when I do it, just hold your hand back." And I held my hand, and he missed my hand, and I saw like stuff flying into the.
That just adds so well.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
I love it every minute.
Did you wrap your legs around like
Hurricane Rana.
yeah?
Yeah.
That was cool.
I know, it was a cool match. It was a cool move. It worked so
You're
good.
gonna have to use that more often. I think.
Yep, that's gonna be a signature.
That's cool.
It's so easy.
Yeah, just the way he was talking about it. Those hurt.
Yeah,
Like
there's
that.
Those hurt.
there is no way to make those not hurt.
And he showed us the handprint.
Yeah, you see that?
I saw that. That's ridiculous.
Got 4 fingers bruised on my chest. Who was it? Massive damage. Actually, he chopped some guy and cut him open. Like, there's just.
Ooh.
Yeah, it was. It was just thudding. I just asked baby brother McMahon.
Oh yeah.
He took really good pictures of our match. Oh yes! Oh, you heard that one. He does like Randy Orton drop kicks. That's who it looks like. He's got like the half backflip in with it.
Those are yeah. They just look
They just look cool.
so much better.
Yeah, they do. I gotta try to do
Is that a
them.
twist? You take the ordinary and put a 45-degree angle on.
Oh, I
So much
know.
better.
This is a nice night. Last year, all of a sudden, the storm blew in and it got raining like crazy. One of the guys was sliding right off the rain. Sweet! That was awesome.
Nice.
Good job. Yeah. Yeah.
That's right. No, well,
Just go over by the music.
Doing that.
it's hot.
Nice.
There you go.
Oh, nice.
That thing's wicked, man.
That's a great move. I gotta learn that one.
That's
Yeah. Next
That was
next
a Rey
practice in the ring,
Mysterio
man.
move.
Look at the kids.
Yeah.
You're right in it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, those kids are funny.
Yeah.
The kids who scream, the younger, the screamier, and especially the little girls.
Oh, really?
Oh, they are a hoot. They really
Oh
are.
no.
Oh.
Ah,
They just are really
That hurt.
little 4 and 5
that
and
was a.
That hurt. That did it?
Yeah, I felt those. Those. You don't get up from those.
No.
You need time to recoup a bit, don't you?
Yep.
The wind knocked out of you.
Yep.
Yeah.
Those kids are loving it.
They've
Oh,
got
yeah.
it counted.
Well, I remember, like, when I was little, Mom and Dad took us. Stampede Wrestling was here in Coleman, eh?
Oh yeah, yeah.
And my mom and dad took us, and it was in the sportsplex, and they had the fold, you know, those fold-up
Chairs, yeah.
Well, Mom could hear this kid just screaming at the top of their lungs. And my mom goes, "My God, what about on that kid? Where are our parents?" My dad went like this and pointed out, and all my mom said was, "Tracy, it was me." Oh yeah, I was standing on the back of the fold-up, balancing.
There we go.
Whoa.
Not another one.
What a nice move. Oh.
No, we're not.